Holy smokes, I hate this bike. I do not like this e-bike at all. And I just bought it from Craigslist. Let me find a place to kind of park and pull over to kind of show you guys what I mean. That was a prime example there. Why I hate this e-bike. Oh my god, that was rough. Ooh-wee. Alright, this is a decent spot to get a look at what we just bought on Craigslist. So, I don't know nothing, or I don't know much about this type of build, but obviously it's like a gravel road bike. Zero, zip, nada, absolutely no suspensions. And yeah, so far my 20 minutes riding of it, I absolutely hate it. Now this is why I bought it, because obviously I'm into mountain biking, and mid-drives are so addicting that the components of this e-bike is amazing, at least in my opinion. I really like it. I mean, he made some nice touches on this setup, this purple accents here, rainbow kind of bolts and what have you. But I bought this e-bike mainly because of this guy. I'm a fan of Luna batteries, and I'm a fan of BBS02. Couple of things, let's see. What I do like about this bike is it is very lightweight. It's like 45 to 50 pounds. And it's very minimalistic. I like it. I like that part. But it's definitely a road bike, and I like to ride off-road more than anything, as you can see from my videos. But it was such a good deal that I even drove about 2 hours just to get this bike off of him. Now, it doesn't have a throttle. He didn't. Something I'll just have to buy separately. What else doesn't it have? It doesn't have a speed sensor. I don't know why. He didn't install speed sensor. But the great thing again is the battery, the motor, and he already has a Lecky chain ring, bling ring installed here. It's a 42 tooth. Component wise, I'm definitely going to be building another mountain bike because that's what I like more than anything. But I really hate this bike. Like, I don't know how anyone can sustain this riding position. It's very uncomfortable, and it's just rugged and stiff, and like, oh gosh, like you're getting shook every time you go any curbs, or obviously it's not 4 jumping curbs or anything like that. Literally like a road gravel bike, but yeah, this is the first time I've ever spent this much time on a gravel bike, let alone a gravel electric bike. Whew. But I mean, it handles nice. It's a Schwinn Sportera 700C wheels, BBS02. Guys, don't sleep on these things. Like, I know BBS HDs are, the preferred choice for most, but BBS02 is all you need, in my opinion. And maybe it's because I don't know. Maybe I'm like lightweight. I'm like, considering others, I'm only like 100. I'm under 160 pounds. So the BBS02 for me, and especially for my wife, is definitely ideal and adequate. Well, adequate. It's got the, you could tell that it has the error code. The 21 error code is the, basically the bike is saying that you don't have a speed sensor connected. But yeah, this is, typically the motor would shut off, but I don't know how he has it. It still runs for you. But yeah, I'm cornering pretty good. It's got dual disc brakes, and I guess you shift here. You know what? I don't even know how to. Okay, there. It's my first time shifting. This shifter it's not even installed. But how do you shift the other way? See, I had no idea. Oh, this way? Oh yeah, this way. That's crazy. So I guess you shift the other knobs that way. Yeah, again, I don't know anything. I have no clue about these gravel bikes. But, I mean, the more I ride it, the more you kind of get a hang of this thing. And wow, yeah, this thing is fast, actually. Crazy. Super lightweight. Yeah, I could definitely corner. Super skinny, super lightweight. How the hell do these guys... Oh gosh, oh my gosh. That felt it. I felt that one. How the hell do these spandex guys like stay on this thing for hours on end? Goodness gracious. I don't, like it feels like you always have to have two hands on it. It doesn't feel stable if you only have one hand, the way this handlebar is set up. And you can't even go on comfortable. You can't comfortably go on any kind of ramp, bumps. Oh, gosh. Freaking A, man. This is for young folks, I think. Stay tuned for more content, guys. Check out my useful links in the description below for additional discounts on your Super73 aerial rider, or build your own Bafang. That's what I really recommend. What I really love about these Bafang is, like, you could just swap out, right? You could swap it any frame you like, and these things are pretty good too. Magnetic mounts definitely hold on to the frame. Pretty good. I mean, it's a great little lightweight bike, for sure. But just not for me. Let me see if I can try to wheelie. Oh, wow. What just happened there? Alright, well, thank you for tuning in. This bike is freaking uncomfortable, but it is what it is. I, again, bought it to... My intentions for this bike is definitely put the motor, put the battery on a mountain bike frame. I don't know why I need another mountain bike, but that's at least my intentions. The seating position is just so uncomfortable. Like it's a very aggressive stance for sure. I'm crouched down. Like my chin is close to this thing. Anyhow, that's going to be the short vlog today, guys. Kindly like and subscribe for more content. See you in the next video. Peace.